The automotive world is moving through a transformative era where electric vehicles are becoming the cornerstone of innovation, sustainability, and modern mobility. Among the many automakers entering this space with bold visions and futuristic designs, Honda has recently made waves with its introduction of the Honda Zero SUV. This new concept marks a dramatic departure from the company's traditional lineup, showcasing Honda's commitment to electrification, advanced technology, and an entirely new philosophy of design and performance. The Honda Zero SUV is more than just another electric car. It represents the brand's rebirth into an era where electric mobility will dominate the global automotive market, and this SUV aims to be one of the key players in shaping that future. At first glance, the Honda Zero SUV immediately draws attention with its minimalist yet futuristic styling. Honda has chosen a sleek, clean, and uncluttered approach that makes the SUV stand out from the more aggressive and complex designs seen in the current EV market. The vehicle has a distinct aerodynamic silhouette, flat surfaces, and smooth edges that not only enhance visual appeal but also contribute to efficiency by reducing drag. The lighting signature at the front and rear further emphasizes its identity as a next-generation vehicle. Honda's designers have described the approach as thin, light, and wise, which perfectly sums up the direction of this vehicle. Instead of being bulky or over-designed, the SUV embodies a lean, modern look that reflects the philosophy of simplicity and intelligence. Moving to the inside, the Honda Zero SUV represents a completely new experience compared to what Honda drivers are used to. The interior is minimalistic, yet advanced, offering a futuristic cabin where technology and comfort come together seamlessly. Instead of an overload of buttons and switches, the SUV uses digital touch interfaces, expansive screens, and voice-controlled AI systems that make the user experience intuitive and effortless. Honda has integrated a large panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and advanced driver assistance features. The cabin also emphasizes openness, with a flat floor enabled by the EV platform and materials chosen to give a sense of warmth and comfort while being eco-friendly. One of the major talking points of the Honda Zero SUV is the philosophy of weight reduction and efficiency. Unlike many automakers who chase bigger batteries to extend range, Honda has focused on engineering precision, using lightweight materials and intelligent design to maximize efficiency. This approach allows the SUV to maintain a balance between performance, driving dynamics, and practicality without unnecessarily increasing battery size or vehicle weight. Honda's engineering team has worked to make the driving experience feel more natural and responsive, aligning with the company's long-standing reputation for fun-to-drive vehicles. The result is a vehicle that promises smooth handling, excellent efficiency, and a user-friendly driving character. Performance is another area where the Honda Zero SUV is expected to shine. Although Honda has not revealed the exact specifications in final production form, reports indicate that it will offer powerful electric motors with strong acceleration while maintaining energy efficiency. The advanced EV platform ensures stability, a low center of gravity, and improved ride comfort. Battery technology is also a key highlight, with Honda focusing on next-generation battery packs that provide faster charging times, extended longevity, and solid energy density. This translates to a driving range that will be competitive in the EV market, ensuring the SUV can handle long-distance travel without the constant need for recharging. Moreover, Honda has invested heavily in fast-charging solutions, enabling the Zero SUV to gain significant range in just a short charging session, making it practical for daily use and road trips alike. Another standout aspect is the suite of advanced driver assistance systems and smart technologies integrated into the Honda Zero SUV. Building on Honda's legacy of safety, the vehicle comes equipped with enhanced autonomous driving features, intelligent sensors, and AI-powered assistance. These include adaptive cruise control, automated lane changing, advanced parking assist, and collision prevention technologies. The SUV is also expected to evolve with over-the-air software updates, meaning that as new technologies develop, the vehicle will continue to improve its performance, safety, and convenience features long after purchase. From an environmental perspective, the Honda Zero SUV is designed to meet global sustainability goals while delivering on Honda's pledge to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The vehicle uses recyclable materials, eco-friendly production processes, and emphasizes efficiency at every stage of its life cycle. Honda's vision goes beyond just making a single electric SUV. It is about creating a lineup of electric vehicles that will lead the brand into the future and help shape the EV market globally. The Zero SUV, as the first of this new generation, symbolizes that mission. One of the most interesting aspects of the Honda Zero SUV is how it redefines the relationship between car and driver. Honda has often spoken about creating vehicles that are not just machines but companions. The Zero SUV incorporates AI-driven personalization, learning from the driver's habits, preferences, and routines to create a truly customized experience. From adjusting climate controls to recommending routes or entertainment options, the vehicle becomes more than just a mode of transportation, it becomes a partner in everyday life. This aligns with the modern trend of vehicles acting as intelligent companions that integrate seamlessly with smartphones, smart homes, and connected lifestyles. Looking at the market positioning, the Honda Zero SUV is clearly targeted at customers who seek an advanced yet approachable electric vehicle. It combines futuristic design, advanced technology, and Honda's heritage of reliability into a package that appeals to both traditional Honda fans and new-generation EV buyers. Competitors such as Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, and Volkswagen have already made strong strides in the EV SUV segment, but Honda's unique approach of minimalism, lightweight design, and human-centered technology allows it to carve a niche that feels distinct and refreshing. The potential success of the Honda Zero SUV also ties into Honda's broader strategy of global electrification. The company has already announced ambitious plans to release multiple electric models in the coming years, with the Zero SUV serving as one of the flagships. If the reception is positive, it could pave the way for more EV crossovers, sedans, and even performance vehicles under the Honda badge. The Zero SUV is not just a single model but the beginning of a new chapter for Honda. Critics and enthusiasts alike are excited because this SUV shows that Honda is finally making a bold statement in the EV sector after being relatively cautious in the early years of electrification. By combining its engineering expertise, design philosophy, and a deep understanding of consumer needs, Honda has managed to craft a product that feels authentic and forward-looking at the same time. The Zero, in its name, symbolizes a return to the starting point, a reset that allows Honda to rethink mobility from scratch. It is a declaration that this is not simply an evolution of existing cars but an entirely new foundation upon which future vehicles will be built. Ultimately, the Honda Zero SUV represents the brand's vision of sustainable mobility that doesn't compromise on driving pleasure, design, or innovation. It is a car that blends futuristic aesthetics with practicality, advanced technologies with simplicity, and environmental responsibility with performance. For customers, it promises an electric SUV that is not intimidating but inspiring, not complicated but intuitive, and not just a car but a new kind of companion for the journey ahead. As the automotive industry continues to transform, vehicles like the Honda Zero SUV will play a critical role in shaping the expectations of what electric cars can and should be. If Honda delivers on the promises it has showcased with this concept, then the Zero SUV could become a landmark vehicle that redefines Honda's image for